is placed before you. In the right, the Holy Spirit guides, and its light is forever shining o'er you. When in the right your heart confides, choose the right, choose the right. Let wisdom mark the way before. In its light, choose the right, and God will bless you evermore. Choose the